Do you know what's more frustrating than a check engine light? Not knowing what the problem is and wasting money just to find out. Maybe you're tired of running to the mechanic for every warning. Maybe you want a budget tool that actually gives you real information. Well, in today's video, I'm reviewing the Autel AutoLink AL329, one of the most affordable and easy-to-use OBD2 scanners on the market. I'll show you what it can do, how it works, the pros, the cons, and if it's really worth buying. Let's get started. What is Autel AutoLink AL329? The Autel AL329 is a simple plug-and-play OBD2 scanner designed for beginners and DIY car owners. It reads check engine lights and helps you understand what's going on in your car. No batteries, no app, no Bluetooth. Just plug it in and go. Compatibility. Works on all OBD2/CAN vehicles, 1996 plus USA, 2001 plus EU, 2008 plus Asia. Gasoline and some diesel vehicles. Supports multiple languages. Powered directly from the vehicle. How to use. Step by step. 1. Turn off car. 2. Plug AL329 into OBD2 port. 3. Turn ignition on. 4. Scanner powers up automatically. 5. Select read codes or IM readiness. 6. Diagnose, save, or clear codes. Takes less than 30 seconds. Build quality and design. Small and lightweight. Durable cable. Bright color screen. Fits easily in glove box. Pros. Very affordable. Fast and accurate. No batteries or charging required. Live data and freeze frame. Built-in code definitions. Simple for beginners. Cons. Only reads engine codes. No ABS, airbag, or transmission. Wired. No wireless or app features. Basic screen. Who should buy this? Perfect for beginner car owners, DIY mechanics on a budget, people who just want to read and clear codes, anyone tired of paying diagnostic fees. Not ideal for advanced technicians, deep system diagnostics. Price and value. Usually priced around $30 to $45. For this price, the features are impressive. It can pay for itself with one diagnostic instead of visiting a mechanic. Real-world use case. Imagine this. Your check engine light comes on at night. You're worried. Is it serious? Will your car break down? With the AL329, you plug it in and instantly know the problem. Peace of mind in seconds. That's the real power of this tool. The Autel AutoLink AL329 is one of the best entry-level scan tools in 2025. Simple, fast, and affordable. Let me know in the comments, what scanner do you currently use? And if you want me to compare the AL329 with another model, just tell me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss my next review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.